got Six Flags. Everything is closed down. I think because it's Juneteenth like holiday, so a lot of people don't want to work, and maybe they didn't expect a lot of people to show up. I don't know. These giant ball prizes. All these giant ball prizes.
Give you guys a deal, couple extra throws.
Ramen song. Little claw machines. Oh, they added claw machines now. They got some Mario stuff in that one. Giant peppers and bananas. Sharks.
It's a shark right there.
What? Nothing up there. What? Where'd they all go? Come back. Come back.
Is that a shark? What kind of shark?
I don't know what sound sharks make.
Oh no, he's coming straight for us. He's gonna kill us.
There's some big fish here too.
He is gonna kill.
Watch your step. We're on a conveyor belt. Oh, those are the nurse sharks or something.
I think they need some.
They need some nursing?
They need some W energy.
Those fish are big. Like, I think they're bigger than my hand. They're way bigger than my hand. Big guy. Some blacklight jellyfish drawings, shark experience, and we got this coral brain thing. Hey, the fish are going in there. Oh no, I can't see. Oh, there it is. Oh, those guys are trying to fight each other.
Like
Where?
under the skull.
What other side? Oh.
Over temperature-wise, this is skull
Okay.
Face is over here.
Yeah.
Face is over here. Face is over here.
Let's go see the face.
Look at the eel.
Oh. It's too tired. It's just laying there. Ew. Entering the secret realm. What's in there? What's in there? What's in there? Oh. What's in? What? There's nothing in there. It just leads outside. There's some. Okay. There's a little shark down there in this little secret room. That's not really a secret. And some fish. We're at this Batman roller coaster thing. You'll get to see the roller coaster after. You can see their blueprints for how the thing straps you into the roller coaster. What are they scanning for? Where's the movie? The screen's broken. What does it actually say? What are all these wiggly lines? Look, there's a blue floating hologram. Here's the Batmobile. From Lion Law HT. Piping there, and big motor pulling them up.
Pretty much, yeah. When I'm at work, everyone.
pulling that thing. Oh, we just stopped. Oh, there we go. Bringing them up. Got little things coming down. What is that little thing going down there? That's how it gets that pulls them up there. Look, they put scraped lines on the bolt so they know if it's untightening. They over tightened that one. They over tightened that one. Getting on.
I need all hats and glasses at this time. For your safety, and in also.
Oh, are they going?
Dispatch. When my rider is 120 feet in the air for the miles per hour, have fun, have fun.
Hold down, then push up on your shoulder harness and exit out towards the
sunlight.
Go bigger, go all year long, and upgrade today in addition to a season pass.
Oh, I can't see now.
Welcome to backpacks, belly packs, purses, and keys inside of one of the cubbies provided. Any item that does not fit securely inside of a
Whatever these things are. Whoa. We got all these backup seats here that are on their own separate track. I don't know how they move them onto the other thing though.
You can write your
It
name in
says
the
rated.
algae. Oh, you can
There's
touch one.
one. Come back! Whoa.
That one, someone pinched him.
Someone pinched him,
Yeah,
that's why
because
he
had a
doesn't.
bleeding spot.
That's why he's running away. Why are people riding in the algae?
I don't know. I wrote an algae right there.
They're mostly staying hidden down there. They're all staying over there. It's hard to see it. Oh, here's one.
Oh, there's one right there. You gotta lean in. You gotta.
Come back!
Oh, there's one right there.
Ooh.
They're very silky.
Six Flag Pride. There's no entrance, only an exit. We can't record the bumper car action, so I'll just record the people choosing their cars. I'll just grab this one, I guess. Whoa, the floor's bouncy. Look at that tiger. Whoa.
There.
It's hopping. Look at that little tiger.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Look at that baby tiger up there.
There's a tiger up there. It's the cub.
Where'd they go?
Where did the tigers go?
Look at the tiger.
It does have a good bushy tail, you're right.
That's a nice bushy tail.